Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the door mirror fuse is located, we have up to 3 different fuses guys that you need to check in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you could price quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the door mirror fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla guys right here. Now we have multiple fuse boxes. Today we're working 2 of them. The first fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Open the driver door. If you look under the dash, all the way on the bottom of the dash, on the left side, you will notice that you have one white cover that looks like that one. Pop that cover open, and behind it you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, what we need to check for the door mirror. Okay, we need to check 2 fuses in this fuse box, and we need to go to a different fuse box and check one more. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. We will come in that row of fuses, and the first fuse that you need to check, they start like that. That's fuse 17, 18. Fuse number 18 is the first fuse that you need to check. Then you go to 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 guys. So fuse number 18 and fuse number 27. After that you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, when you face the engine on the right side, if you remove that cover, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. And if we zoom in, we come to that section right here, the very first fuse on top, 7.5 amp fuse. That's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.